Hello everybody, I am Charlie the Beagle's dad. I hope you are doing great. This is Charlie, and this is, what's your names with Princess? Okay, so how old are you? We have something great to share with you today. It's, can you take it out, Laura? Okay, so now what we have down here, it's something what it called Petcube. It has a cool beagle on the picture as well. Not that handsome like Charlie. Look on the picture, Laurie. Who is it? So what we have it here?
This is Booby.
Booby what?
This.
Booby this. Okay, so that's a great name for it. This is Booby Ringo Dingo.
Yes. This is a Booby.
This is Booby as well. Everything is Booby. Someone is getting comfy down here. Now what? So what we have is the camera device. You got it? Are you sure? It doesn't look like.
Yes.
You have it done? Show me. Brilliant! Good girl. Give me 5. Yeah. Okay, so we have a manual here. It says we have to install the Petcube app. So okay, we found this Petcube app on the Play Store. Yes, that's how the Charlie Ringo Dingo it's called. Actually pretty curious how it works. I hope you too. So stay with us. So now I can see what those two criminals are doing. Laura! Just look at this sad, sad boy. So the cool thing is we can actually play with the other animals. Laura loves that. Hey kitty! Silly kitties! Oh. You can take the photos. Come on, Laura, do the picture. Yeah, press that button. Yay! We have a kitty picture, or we can record the short video.